Petalisbless here. Welcome back to another Cricut DIY Wednesday. And for today's DIYs, we are going to do some iron-on. And I'll be using the Explorer 3, and I'll also be using our Easy Press 2 to iron on our pattern. And if this is your first time clicking on my channel, I would like to say welcome. And I do hope you will hit the subscribe button and press the bell so you're notified every time I upload another DIY to share, which is my upload dates are every Wednesday and Sunday. Alright everyone, you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have these two pillow covers and they are 12 by 20. I got them from Amazon. And for our first pillow cover, we're going to be using some of this black glitter vinyl. And for the next pillow, I'll be using some of this silver vinyl along with some silver glitter vinyl. Okay, the first thing to do, I have this measuring tape here that has inches and centimeters. So we're just going to measure the width and the height that we want our vinyl decor to fit onto our pillow covers. And now I'm going into Cricut Design Space and picking out what I want to go onto our pillow covers, which I have this bling word here. So I'm just going to resize it to the measurement I have for the pillow covers and then send it to be made. And we're going to do it on a mat. So I press that, and then we are also going to mirror this image because it's an iron-on. You have to mirror the images for iron-ons. Don't forget that. And then we press next, and then we're going to press the material that we are using. Okay, I'm using this Cricut mat here. It's a 12 by 24 mat. It's a longer mat than the regular size because it's a long print that we are printing. So we have this mat here. So I'm just going to place it into the machine. And oh, when you lay down the vinyl for iron-on, you place the shiny side down. For the cut, the shiny side has to be face down on your mat. And then we're just going to tell the Cricut to print our design. And I don't have enough table space for the mat, so I'm just holding it. Okay, so now we have our Easy Press here, which I set the temperature to 315 already. And then we are just going to iron out our pillow covers, take out the moisture, and then use a lint roll to take out any excess lint that might be on the surface. So now we're just going to place down our iron-on decor onto the pillow covers. And I made some extra little glitter stars. So I'm just placing them where I want them to be. So now I'm just going to place our Easy Press over our pillow cover. And we're going to let it sit there for 30 seconds. I am fast forwarding it so it's a little faster. And then we're going to move it over and do the other side because the Easy Press doesn't cover the whole surface. So as you see, I'm just doing section by section till we get the whole thing covered. And now I'm just going to turn it over and do the same thing on the back, but this time it's for 15 seconds each time. And again, I'm fast forwarding it, you guys. And there, now it's all done. We'll set it aside to cool a bit and then we'll peel it. Okay, it's all cooled down now. So now it's time to peel back our backing. And here is the look for our bling pillow. I like how it looks. I think it looks very nice. And the pillow is a 12 by 20. So it looks very nice. A nice and easy decor for your home using the Easy Press 2 iron-on. I think it looks very nice. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our bling pillow covers. And now for our pillow cover number 2, I'm going to choose the image I want, bring it into Design Space, and I am going to use 3 of our images. So I duplicate them 3 times Now I'm lining them up together, making my own pattern, which you can do in Design Space. Then I am going to attach them together, make them the size I measured to go on the pillow cover. Once I get that done, I'm going to weld them together, or I should say attach them together. And then I press make it, and I'll be doing it on a mat. And then don't forget, we have to mirror our image, because it's an iron-on, always have to mirror it. Then press next. And because we're using a glitter iron-on, I'm using the light cardstock feature to cut on the glitter vinyl. It's a more harder vinyl, and I've watched other cricketers, and they advise using the the light cardstock feature, and it does cut it much better. And then you place it the shiny side down onto the mat and send to the Cricut to be cut. And here we are all finished. So now I am going to peel the mat away from the vinyl. See, the shiny side was down. And you see how you see the cut in the vinyl? If you just use glitter iron-on, you don't see that cut very well, and it's hard to weed. So remember, use the light cardstock when you're cutting glitter vinyl only. So now I'm just cutting off the excess piece, and now we're going to start to weed our design. And now again, we're just ironing out our pillow covers, taking out any moisture. And then we'll go over with the lint remover. And now we're just placing our vinyl onto our pillow covers where we want it. And then we're going to start our heating with the Easy Press 2, 30 seconds. And like I said before, section by section. Hey everyone, I forgot to mention that Cricut does have a heat guide for whatever vinyl you're using to do iron-on with. You just go into the heat guide, put what you're using, what machine you're using, and it tells you how long you're to heat it for. It tells you what temperature you're to heat it for. And then we're turning it over on the other side. Repeat these steps for 15 seconds only this time instead of 30. And now we'll turn it back over and let it cool, because this is a cool peel. Okay, now it's cooled off, so we're just going to remove our backing. Here is the look for our second pillow design. I like the pattern that it turned out to be. We added the different shapes together and made this pattern. I think it looks super cute on the pillows. Like I told you, they have lots of lovely themes within Cricut Design Space. Add their themes together and make your own like I did, and you have a nice piece of decor to place in your home. I like adding iron-on to our pillow covers, and you can use any size pillow that you like. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of our second pillow design. And now for our third DIY, I have this t-shirt here, and I got it from Cricut. Alright everyone, I have this measuring tape, and we are going to measure the surface of our t-shirt, how big or how small we want our design to be. So it's the width and the height we're measuring. And I'll be using some of this smart iron-on that I have here, the yellow color. And I'll also be using some of this nice tiger print here that I got from Amazon. Amazon has lots of nice vinyls you can use also. So I send my design to the Cricut to cut. And then I'm just going to weed the vinyl. Doesn't that look nice? I love it. And I'm weeding the other part, which is love. I'm doing a love word right across the t-shirt. So like we do with every step, we have to iron out the surface that you're going to place your vinyl onto, and use the lint roll and take off any excess lint. And then we're just going to take our pattern that we have and lay it across where we want it to go onto our t-shirt. And now we're just going to add our easy press on top and let it sit for 30 seconds on each side. Okay, it doesn't cover the surface completely. So each side we're going to do for 30 seconds. And then we're just going to turn it over and do the back again for 15 seconds each. And then we will turn it back over and let it sit for a second or two to cool off, because it is a cool peel. And here we go, it's all cool, so we're just going to peel back. There we go. Peel back the transfer tape. And look at the heart, it's so cute. And here we go, here is our look for our t-shirt number 3, the love sign. I like how it turned out, very nice. You can do lots of nice iron-on using your Cricut machine and your easy press. And they have all sorts of themes and those stuff like I told you. You can make lots of nice t-shirt designs. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's t-shirt. Alright you guys, that's all you girls got for you today for this Cricut DIY Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed these iron-ons that I shared with you today. There's lots of things you can do with your Cricut machine and an easy press, and I'll be sharing more ideas with you guys. Yeah. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.